Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm just going to show you how I would do a monthly care of all my plants, watering, cleaning, all that jazz. This one's a little different just because if you notice on that top shelf, I am missing a grow light. It was held on by Gorilla Glue tape, but because my ceilings are textured, it just did not want to stay up, so I'm just changing it out to the Velcro command strips. As I'm working on the other side, you may notice that it's actually hanging. I have command strips, the hooks for the wire, so that was the reason why this set of grow lights were just able to hang down. I was still able to use them. They weren't on the plants or anything, but that is a nice tip if you are hanging from the ceiling and or if you just don't want your cables to be everywhere. Hook your wires up, that way you can control the mess. Shifting gears a little bit, I'm going to start watering my plants, and normally what I do anytime I go to water a plant, I look to see if there's any leaves that need to come off. Like this one had a vine that was slowly dying, so I just took that off so I can propagate it later. Took off any leaves that were turning yellow, and just setting aside, figuring out if I needed to water these or not, because I am going to wipe down the shelves. We're just going to take everything down, and I believe I'm going to go water both of these. They look a little sad. Yep. Okay, back to the other side. Yep, that's how that light looks. You'll notice that they're two different wavelengths just because I bought them at separate times. Maybe when I get a new plant setup, I'll actually find matching grow lights, but for what I have, I am okay with it. Here I'm just separating out what needs to be watered, what doesn't need to be watered. Because I only have a basin to bottom water, it takes me a while, so we're just putting them aside. So like I mentioned, I only go this extensive maybe once a month, maybe once every 2 months. Really only did it this time because I knew I had to go up there and do the grow light, so I just decided to wipe everything down and actually start to move some plants around. I wanted to reorganize. You'll see in a bit that did not happen this first go round just because bottom watering takes a while, especially when you're only using a basin that's only about a foot and a half long and a foot and a half wide. So with all these plants, it does take a while, but it did give me time to clean everything. I was going to wipe down all the leaves, but I actually had to go somewhere after this, so I ran out of time. But as chaotic as as it is, as time consuming as it is, I love taking care of my plants. It's been several days, but this is what this corner is looking like. I rearranged some of the plants. Top row's still pretty much the same. I did get rid of one of my pothos. I actually have it propagating now just because it was just looking sad and we just had to start over. Pick the monstera off of the ground so it can get more light. This is pretty much my Syndapsis shelf and I am loving it. We got one random philodendron, but that is my favorite shelf. And then we're going down to just all my other little vining plants. I still need to kind of organize this, but this is just what we're working with at the moment. I still haven't cleaned my humidifier, but that's a problem for a later time. And yeah, I need to put another stake in this and tie her up, but that is the ascent of my plant corner. It normally does not take me that long to that extent, but just because I went ahead and did everything, it did take a little longer, but normally I would just go through, water what needs to be water, and do a deep clean maybe once a month if I remember. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.